Imagine a future where everyone works on the side. Well, that planet could be closer than you realize. A recent poll revealed a startling fact. More than 1/3 of Americans work a side employment. That's correct. Your neighbor, barista, and perhaps even your grandmother are all part of this rising trend. It's as if we've reached a new period of the American dream, in which 9 to 5 no longer suffices. Is this the new normal? Or a harbinger of bad times? Let's get into the crazy world of side hustles and find out what's actually going on behind the scenes. From internet markets to gig economy applications, we're going to look at how millions of people are converting their spare time into spare income. Buckle up, because this ride through Side Hustle Nation is going to be eye-opening. Welcome. Today, we'll look at the latest trend that's sweeping America. From college students to retirees, it appears that everyone is hopping on the side hustle bandwagon, turning their skills and hobbies into additional revenue sources. But what is driving this trend, and how does it affect our economy and daily lives? Stay tuned as we dig down the figures, reveal some startling discoveries, and perhaps even encourage you to start your own side hustle. So, let's roll up our sleeves and delve into the details of this interesting phenomena. If you're excited to learn more about the side hustle revolution, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening content on the changing world of work and finance. Gen Z is spearheading the side hustle revolution, with nearly half of them doing a side employment in addition to their primary job. These digital natives are using their IT talents to generate revenue options that did not exist a decade ago, ranging from social media influence to app creation. They are not alone, however. Millennials, Generation X, and even baby boomers are all participating, each offering their own set of talents. The variety of side hustlers is astounding, ranging from busy parents to full-time professionals. Stay-at-home parents are turning their hobbies into Etsy empires, while office professionals are moonlighting as freelance writers or graphic designers. It's not just about making ends meet for many. It's about exploring new passions and creating a safety net in an uncertain economy. However, this trend raises questions about wage stagnation and the rising cost of living. Are people turning to side hustles out of necessity or choice? The answer is likely a bit of both, reflecting broader economic challenges and changing attitudes towards work and career fulfillment. Let's talk cash. The average side hustler is pulling in about $900 a month, making a real difference in their financial lives. This extra income helps pay off debts, save for big purchases, or simply adds a cushion for unexpected expenses. However, the spectrum is vast, from barely covering a nice coffee to developing enterprises that match primary salaries. The appeal of side hustles stems from their scalability. You may devote as much or as little time as you choose. For many Americans, side hustle income is no longer a luxury. It has become an important component of their budget, filling gaps caused by stagnating incomes and growing living expenses. In other circumstances, side occupations offer more advantages or security than typical positions. However, it is important to consider the tax ramifications. Many novice side hustlers are startled during tax season, so it's critical to set away money and keep solid records. On the plus side, self-employment can provide some valuable tax breaks. Side hustlers work long hours, frequently 10 to 30 plus hours each week on top of their regular occupations. It's like having a second part-time job that requires devotion and outstanding time management abilities. To make their side hustles work, these modern-day superheroes balance family obligations, social life, and, on sometimes, sleep. They make time whenever they can, including lunch breaks, nights, and weekends. This always-on mindset is changing work-life balance, with some getting up early to cram in hours before their day job, while others work late. Despite the grind, many side hustlers indicate that their extra gigs make them feel more satisfied and invigorated, as they allow them to explore hobbies gain new skills, and meet like-minded individuals. However, it's crucial to avoid burnout and maintain a healthy balance. The side hustle life requires careful self-care and time management. Some successful side hustlers swear by strict schedules, while others prefer a more flexible approach. Finding what works for you is key to long-term success in the side hustle game, ensuring you don't sacrifice your health or relationships for the sake of extra cash. In today's broad gig economy, many are looking into side hustles to supplement their income. Some are using social media platforms such as TikTok to establish personal brands and collaborate with businesses, while others are resorting to ride, sharing, and meal delivery services for more flexible employment. Digital freelancing sites such as Fiverr and Upwork have created global possibilities for talents ranging from graphic design to coding. Meanwhile, internet markets such as eBay and Etsy enable anyone to sell things or homemade creations. The modern side hustle landscape also includes traditional part-time jobs that have been updated with technology, such as on-demand tutoring or shift-picking apps for local businesses. The beauty of this new economy is its adaptability. There are chances for nearly any talent or interest, from pet sitting to personal training. The only true constraints are one's creativity and ambition to explore new territory. Most side hustlers are newcomers, with nearly 60% having started within the last 2 years. This surge coincides with major economic shifts, the rise of user-friendly platforms, and the pandemic's impact on job security. The pattern raises serious problems about our economy. Are side hustles a band-aid for underlying economic issues or the future of employment? While some economists are concerned about hidden underemployment and wage stagnation, others see it as a positive step toward a more adaptable, entrepreneurial workforce. This tendency is both encouraging and worrying. It democratizes entrepreneurship by allowing people to explore company ideas and take control of their financial destinies without leaving their day jobs. For some, it is a step toward full-time self-employment or a career change. However, some are concerned about the gig economy's lack of safeguards and benefits. As side hustles become more common, there is an increasing discussion about protecting workers' rights and safeguards in this new context. Are you thinking of joining the side hustle nation? Start small and be safe. Keep your day job while carefully expanding your side gig to reduce risk and test the waters. Remember, the goal is not to get rich quickly, but to create something long-term that might one day become your primary source of income. Patience and tenacity are essential, as many successful side hustlers report waiting months or even years to see meaningful returns. Consider your talents, hobbies, and available time to establish the unique value you can provide. Don't be scared to explore outside the box. Some of the most successful side hustles began as unusual concepts that filled unanticipated gaps. Research your market and potential competition to understand how you can stand out. Networking through online communities or local groups can help you find mentors, collaborators, or even your first customers. Don't forget the practical aspects like registering your business, getting insurance, or obtaining necessary licenses. Keep your side hustle finances separate from personal accounts for easier tracking and tax purposes. Lastly, be prepared for ups and downs. Learn from failures, celebrate successes, and be willing to pivot if something isn't working. The beauty of a side hustle is that you can experiment and evolve without the pressure of it being your sole source of income. The side hustle craze is more than a passing fad. It represents a shift in how we see employment and revenue. It is spawning a new generation of entrepreneurs and altering employment, ranging from college students selling handcrafted candles to seniors providing consultancy services. This broad and difficult environment provides financial advantages, personal growth, and the opportunity to follow passions, but it also raises critical concerns about work-life balance, economic inequality, and the future of employment. So, are you ready to join the hustle? It's time to take action. This week, commit to exploring at least one side hustle idea that aligns with your skills or interests. Share your chosen side hustle idea or your progress in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into our changing economy. Your entrepreneurial journey starts now. Who knows? Your side hustle might just be the start of something amazing.